is refraction of light at curved surfaces. So what is the meaning of this lesson first? So curved surfaces meaning already you know. What is? It is not straight. So like this. It may be curved also, regular, irregular, both there. In that we are targeting especially these surfaces. What are regular curved surfaces? Right? So here surface nature we are deciding. Surface nature we are deciding. It is compulsory, allowing the light, transparent. Then what is the name of this surface? So if you look this surface, you can view this differently from either sides. Either side it is not same. This side you will see having something depth inwards. Yes, it is inwards. This side it is outwards. Right? So this surface, outward surface is called convex surface. Inward surface is called concave surface. Am I clear? The surface which is curved inward is called concave surface. If the surface is bulged outward, that is called convex surface. So two types of surfaces are there. One is concave and the other is convex surface. So here I am drawing the shape of what it is?
Moon.
Very good. So either sides you can see different surfaces. Right. Can you please name the surface? This surface is what?
Moon.
Convex.
No. Very good. Bulged out surface.
Bulged outside.
Right? It exists. Exit, outside. Right?
Yes.
So convex. Right? Then what about this one?
Concave.
So if you know one thing, automatically opposite we can identify. Yes?
Yes. Yes.
So is it clear identifying the surface as concave and convex?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we'll go to our topic to know about light and refraction. Okay. So I'm giving the meaning to the curved surface first. So only we are dealing two curved surfaces. One is concave
Convex.
and the other is convex. So next one is here we have questions in our topic. Just a minute. Okay. So I got my first question on the screen. What it is? What is light?
Refraction.
Are you able to give the meaning for this one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
They are enable us to see.
Very good. It is a source of energy. And one more you said, what is?
Light
Enables
enables
us to see. Right. How it is moving in its surroundings in the form of a wave. So which type of wave is this? Electromagnetic wave. It is a electromagnetic wave. It is said to be a source of energy. It is an electromagnetic wave and it is enables us to see. Right. Do you know the speed of light? How fast it travels or propagates in the medium or surroundings? So it propagates with the speed 3 lakhs kilometer per second. Only in 1 second it moves or it reaches up to 3 lakhs kilometers. Right. So what is light means what you are able to say now? It is a source of energy. It propagates as a wave. That wave type is electromagnetic wave. Then enables us to see and it moves or propagates in the vacuum with the speed 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Then one more question I am asking you, that is what are the properties of light? Do you know the properties of light? They are here. Yeah. Are you saying? Okay. So here I will tell you, there are main properties of light. They are here. Rectilinear propagation means it propagates in the medium from where it is started. From there, it goes straight. That is called rectilinear propagation. In pinhole camera, we have decided. Okay. Then reflection, refraction,
Wavelength.
dispersion,
Scattering.
diffraction, yes, scattering,
Wavelength.
interference, polarization. So what you said wavelength, it is not a property of light, it is parameter which we use in the wave. Okay. So 8 properties I have displayed here. What they are? Rectilinear propagation of light, reflection, refraction, dispersion, diffraction, scattering, interference, and
Polarization.
so already rectilinear propagation completed, reflection completed. Then what is next one? Refraction. Do you know what is refraction of light?
So bending of light rays towards normal.
Simply what we are saying, bending of a light ray, right? Bending of light ray. Where do you observe?
So in denser.
Is there any activity? Is there an activity to realize that one bending of light ray? The simple activity is there. Pencil in the glass of water. If you observe that, automatically what we will see? There is no connection to the upper part and lower part. Yes or no? In 9th class, we have performed that. Okay. Do you know the cause of refraction? Why actually that light refracts? Right? Here, suppose if I say to observe that pencil without having water in the glass of water, without filling water in a glass, what do you see? Is there any bent?
No.
No. Inside the glass only. Don't see the upper above the glass.
Yes.
In the water, you can see bent. If there is no water, we cannot see that bending. Right? Why it has happened? Maybe due to change in the surrounded medium. So one of the reason is medium. And what happens if it changes its medium? Its speed or velocity changes. So what I given you the value here, what I have given, the value is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second is given. Where it is actually? It
Vacuum.
is vacuum. Right? If that light enters into the medium, it may be air or water. What happens? Is it maintains that same speed? No, sir. It decreases. It decreases. Why, sir? Change in the wavelength. Right? Vacuum means actually, what does it mean? Vacuum.
There is no air in vacuum.
So simply what we have to say, what is? No matter.
No matter.
Right? It is not to speak out. Right? According to our science, matter means having something substance occupying mass. Right? Space and mass. Okay. Then let me ask you one more here. What are the applications of refraction? So you can see that refraction in our daily life in these following situations. Look at them. What there? Mirages, brilliance of diamond, optical fibers, twinkling of stars, lenses. Right? Where do we use these lenses? In specs, in doors,
Cameras.
in cameras, right? And mobiles also you have. So these are the applications. So here next question is, why do some people use spectacles for reading newspaper or something book? Do you see? Especially while they are reading newspaper, they wears. Why? Defect of vision. Yes. Defect of vision. So to overcome that one, simply they are using spectacles. Right? To visible the text clearly. Otherwise, they will see the text blur. Right? Okay. Suppose if someone dealing very small articles, what do? They can use eyepiece, something they can put here. Cell phone repairers or watch repairer. Why do watch repairer use magnifying glass to see tiny particles of watch? Why do they use this magnifying glass?
Yes.
Why do they use?
Magnifying.
See, there, magnify to improve the size, right? To see large. Okay. Suppose you have hand lens. If you see through that, what happens? It appears big, large in size, right? Bigger than its actual size. Okay. The next one more question I will ask you. What do you notice when you touch magnifying glass? If you touch the magnifying glass, how do you feel? Is it a slim that means flat? Everywhere? No. Right? It is not flat. That means you are able to say it is not a plane surface. Yes?
Yes.
You are able to say it is not a plane surface. So if I ask you, is it plane or a curved surface? What do you say? So already we have decided it is not plane. How do you decide it is not plane? In the middle and the edge having the same thickness means you are able to say it is. We are not seeing that I say. Right? So that's why we are deciding it is as curved surface. It is decided as curved surface. Right. One more question is there. Is it thick in the middle or at the edge?
In the middle. In the middle.
In the middle. Suppose if you reach the edge, what do you feel? Thick in the middle, thin to the edges. Okay. Thick in the middle, thin to the edges. So these are the important points entering into the lesson. Basic concepts. Let us enter into the activity 1. Right? So to perform this activity 1, actually you are required a few materials. Right? What are required here? Just a marker, one scale, one paper sheet, right? White sheet of paper. Okay, one transparent
glass tumbler.
Glass, maybe water glass, some other cylindrical shape, right?
Yes.
Okay, the next you required water. These are enough. These are enough. So already I have given that required materials. Okay, then what to do? So take your sheet of paper. Then what to do? On the sheet of paper, it is better to take a black colored marker. Okay, it is better to take a black colored marker. Just using your scale, draw a arrow. Right? Draw an arrow. How much? Minimum 4 centimeters length. Right? On the paper. Okay. It is horizontal. It is better to take horizontal. Not a big paper. Just do one thing. Here, you have to draw this arrow just very close to the edge. Right? in its width wide or length wide at any corner. Here also you are allowed to draw. Okay, right. So like this you have to complete. Then what to do? After completing this arrow, just you have to see this arrow through the empty glass, right? Okay, so here simply let me clear this one. Here I will show you that simply with the diagram. Just a second. Right here, suppose I am taking a glass here. So this is a glass, right? This is your glass now. So just using this, you have to observe that arrow. So let me take arrow on the paper. So I will show you the paper first. So here I have paper. Okay, now on the paper I have to draw an arrow. Okay, suppose having 4 centimeters length, that. Okay, this arrow I am going to observe from opposite side of the glass. Suppose left side you placed your paper, then see that from the right side. From here you have to see that